Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is "Guy Tries to Act Tough in Front of Cops, Ends Badly." Man, it ends badly. Listen, you only gonna get 2 times with me. If I gotta tell you a 3rd time, you not gonna like it.
I'm gonna stand here and threaten you. Grandma!
On February 8th, 2024, police respond to a call about a drunken assault that just occurred inside an apartment complex.
So you guys were dating?
Yeah, we're gonna get married.
Okay. You guys engaged?
Yeah, we're.
Okay. Where?
Yeah.
And you guys were living together?
Yeah.
You guys were drinking, and then what happened? What was said?
I basically told her to leave, and she freaking just went off on me.
Because you didn't want her in the house somewhere?
No.
Did you strike her back in any way?
To get her off of me.
So you pushed her off of you, or
Yes.
did you slap her?
I pushed her off of me.
You pushed her off of you? Okay. But she came at you?
Yes.
But,
I could be better.
can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes.
The right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your right hand down. You want to tell me what happened tonight?
Tonight, me and well,
GoForms makes it easy to digitize documents or build new digital forms from scratch.
I have a girlfriend.
Yep. Are you guys are girlfriend?
We're girlfriends.
Are you fiancés?
Fiancés? Would she tell you that?
Are you engaged?
We're kind of, yeah.
So are you girlfriends or no?
We're engaged, but she's married still.
So you guys are just girlfriends?
So we're girlfriends.
Okay, all right.
If that's how you want to say it, but she calls me her wife.
Oh, so, all right, so you guys are just girlfriends?
Yes.
All right. All right. So what happened tonight?
Today was her birthday. We've been drinking.
Yep.
I'm gonna be honest.
Okay.
All of
it's
us.
not illegal to drink.
We were in the house drinking, so.
Yeah.
And me and her got into a fight. She kicked me in the head.
Why? What started the fight?
Because I've been drinking too much, she said.
Okay. Okay. Keep going. And you guys got in a fight?
We got into a fight.
Who started the fight?
Hold on. Y'all, the other person says that you guys got into the fight because she said that you've been drinking too much. You guys are in the house. So I feel like an action had to be said, or that's what starts the fight, not because me and you are drinking and I say, oh, you've been drinking too much. Well, what makes you think that? What did I do to make you think that I have been drinking too much?
She started the fight because she was like, you drank too much, and then she started pushing me and stuff.
She started pushing you?
Yeah, and then...
And you didn't start to push her?
No.
Okay. And then what happened from there?
And then she told me I need to get out, I'm a snitch, I'm calling the police. I said, well, what else am I supposed to do, call the police, or just let your son or you whoop my ass here, because I can't fight 2 people.
So, she's saying that you pushed her, that you started it.
That's not how it went, though. But if that's how you want to take it, you take me to jail, because I have nowhere to go.
I just want to get down to the bottom of this. You guys live together in the house? Okay.
Hold on. I know you guys don't like when I keep pausing it. I get it. I know you don't like it, but it's my show. But anyway, no, damn, I feel bad for this lady because you could tell mentally the other person has control over her, because she knows deep down that the other person started it, but like she's so like mentally like drained that she's pretty much to the point where it's like, well, whatever she says, you know, the other person, I'm fine with it. You know, I don't got nothing to live for anyway. I don't have, you know, a home or anything. Like, just take me in. And you get people that go to jail because life on the outside is so bad that they would rather be in jail, even though jail isn't, you know, prison isn't, you know, a place to be, but you get a bed, you get 3 meals, you maybe can make some friends, you know what I'm saying? Or you could get bullied. Depends on if you could hold your own in there, you know what I'm saying? You could be somebody's but for the most part, I mean, I feel bad for this lady. I'm not gonna lie.
All right. So what else happened? She said you were drinking too much. You're saying that she pushed you?
She kicked me in the head.
She kicked you in the head?
Yeah, there's no mark or nothing, but she kicked me in the head.
Alrighty. And then what else?
And then we started arguing and stuff, and I said, well, then I'm calling the police because she told me, oh, you got to get out. I said, I'm going to get out with all my stuff here, and I've been here over 6 months.
Okay.
And you can't just kick somebody out over 6 months and living somewhere.
Okay.
You know? And so I left with his grandmother. That's her mom.
Yeah, she's staying?
She's staying. Yeah, I need her to stay because I might need to go home, stay with her tonight.
Okay, all right, yeah. We'll just have her stay.
Because I don't want to go out in the cold.
I understand. Nobody's going to put you out in the cold, but we need to get down to the bottom of this because this stuff can't happen.
No.
All right? But you're saying that she hit you first.
Yes.
That's what you're saying.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Just go. You can just stand right here, all right? Give me 1 second.
My brother and my grandson both live here.
Yeah.
And I didn't say anything, I wasn't involved, but I don't want to mix and match and with my kids. We had a lot of family problems with us.
Okay, I understand that. Heather got to go somewhere.
I know, she has nowhere to go on the site.
Where was she going to go before when you drove her?
Oh, we just were going to drive around until she cooled off a little.
Okay.
We were on Federal and Linton.
Okay.
We were just around the corner.
Alrighty. Is there somewhere you can go for the night?
No.
There's nowhere.
She was just going to drop me off somewhere.
Where?
Anywhere.
Is there like an Uber you can call?
No, I have no money.
Alright, because my thing is, I'm trying to go the route where everybody can just have a cool off period and go their separate ways for right now. For the night at least. But that means one of you guys got to go. And looking at the family, you're going to have to go somewhere for the night.
Yeah.
Okay?
Like, did she drop me off somewhere?
That's fine. Yeah, just, I don't know. It's up to her.
Ask her if she dropped me off somewhere. I don't want to talk in front of her grandson because her grandson's going to be on her mom's side.
It's fine. We're not
You already
here.
understand that. If it was your mom, would you be on your
Yes.
mom's side?
The thing with it is that because obviously you guys have been drinking.
We all
It
have.
seems like it's not just you and her been drinking. It seems like there's been more people.
Everybody been.
So
Yeah,
obviously,
Can you tell?
Yeah, she can't drive.
so obviously,
She can't drive.
No. I don't want her driving.
yeah.
Okay? I don't want you driving, ma'am. No offense.
What?
It seems like you've been drinking a little bit tonight.
I had a beer.
Okay, alright. So, is there any way, because we're trying to solve this issue, that we can call her Uber so she can go somewhere?
I don't have no money, nor does my mother right now.
Because where we're at is, we're trying to go the one route where everybody can have a cool off period.
How does nobody have no money, but you got money to drink though? I don't understand this. This whole family look like a bunch of alcoholics and everyone's been drinking, partying, having a good old time, but nobody ain't got $8 for an Uber or $10 for an Uber? Like, are you kidding me? Like, I don't get it. And him as the man or whatever, you're in a relationship, you got a lady or whatever. Why are you broke? Man, as a man, you have to, life's about ups and downs. And I know I'm gonna go into a rant. Bear with me. But life's about ups and downs. And you're gonna have your down moments. Don't get me wrong. But when you're down, you don't spend your little bit of money that you do have on alcohol. That don't make sense. As a man, you gotta figure it out. And you gotta get your bread up. Like, that don't, come on, man.
You know,
No, I got you.
if not, we have to go to jail route. All right?
Okay, and what does that consist of jail?
Because you're not independent witness. she's saying one thing, your mom's saying another thing, I can't determine the primary aggressor. Everybody gotta go.
I mean, I'm gonna put it this way. I won't let that happen. My mom won't go.
Huh?
I said I won't let that happen. My
Okay.
mom won't go.
So let's go the easy route.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. So I'm gonna put it this way, because that happens, you guys can see no side.
All right. Well, you're not gonna stand here and threaten me. All right.
I'm not
I
threatening.
have a job to do.
That's opinion. My opinion.
Okay, but
That happens to my mother. I'm just saying, because you guys take both of them when I saw what happened and everything.
All right, but I'm here with the state. All right, the state. There's different criteria.
You guys are a city patrol, not sheriff. I know there's a difference. I want to be a
Sheriff is
police
county.
officer. I know.
I said state.
State.
What's our regulations?
Well, you guys
State statutes.
Yes.
Okay,
State statutes.
that's what I said. The state.
Everyone runs on state statutes.
All right. All right.
He don't know his rights. He thinks he knows his rights.
I'm done talking. Can you find somewhere? Can you call somebody?
I have nowhere to go, but I don't know what he's talking about, but he's been doing this the whole time. And he's the one who kicked me in the closet. See how they're yelling and screaming still?
Well,
He's still yelling and screaming. Look at him.
I would
told
take him,
the truth,
honestly.
If we do not have them separate, they both go. It's not one or it's both. I can't determine the primary aggressor. They both go. So and now he's upset.
Well, they both have conflicting stories.
Exactly. That's why.
Because the only thing with them
is there's nobody you can call. Try and call.
Can I get my phone?
Yeah, that's fine. Go get your phone. Can she get her phone?
Yes, sir. They don't know how to come to agreement for nothing.
No. Honestly, I just wanted to go home. I didn't get out of here quick enough.
It's.
Well, we were
having
trying
ice
to
cream
go,
cakes for birthday.
I understand. So, to be honest, I tried to do it the right way. But since we don't have a primary aggressor, both of you have to go to jail tonight. So I need you to put your hands behind your back. Thank you. Alright. Whose car is this? Is this yours? Open it.
I'll follow you. Mikey, stop! Mikey, stop! Stop!
Alright, good. I understand. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Ain't nothing with the badge and gun. Ain't nothing. You're all fucking.
Stay in the car?
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Bitch ass niggas. Oh, just wait. Just wait. Just because you're taking. I'm not coming at you. Okay.
Let's go. We're good.
I'm in your bubble.
Let's go.
I'm in your bubble.
Let's go.
What? You want to say something to me, nigga? You want to say something, man?
Go upstairs.
What's up there?
Go upstairs.
What's up there, nigga?
Go upstairs.
No. You ain't got to tell
you
me
can
nothing.
stay
It's
here
my
all day.
fucking property.
Let's go. Everybody, let's go.
Nope. I can walk. It's
You
my
can.
fucking property. No, what am I doing? What am I doing aggressive? You want to pull your fucking taser out?
Let's go.
What do I have on me that make you aggressive?
No, grab it.
It's on the car.
Can you walk him upstairs, please?
I could.
Please, can you please try to walk him upstairs? Because I don't want to make it the third person.
Okay, yeah, so you guys deal with fucking tweakers, and you want to sit here and fucking pull a taser out on me. Do I look like a fucking tweaker? He's in this car, right? Good. Good.
If he touches you, he's going.
Good.
He's going.
What is she getting taken in for?
I do not get it, man. Those two were fighting. This guy is broke. The mom is broke. Why is everybody broke, but they want to boast their chest out, argue, do this? Well, mainly him, mainly the guy, you know, but this guy is freaking, yeah, I would take him off rip. He wasn't even in the altercation, but hey, you going, bro. You just, yeah, disorderly, man. Let's go. You up out of here, man. And I'm sure you gonna get a resisting because when I go to grab you, you gon' let's go. You going too.
Yeah, you do. That's my mother. That's the fuck I do.
Everybody,
See what's up? You wanna see what's up? You think you're all scared? You think you're all real crazy with your badge and gun?
But he's degrading my officers and he's causing a scene.
All your officers are pigs. You're a fucking pig.
All right. Drunk and disorderly?
let's do it.
What the fuck?
Like a pack of wolves.
Turn him around, turn him around, turn him around, turn him around, turn him around.
It's
Turn
lit.
him around.
I might have been drunk. Grandma! I'm not.
Act right.
Bad. Bad.
Hand here, hand here.
Really?
Where they?
Really? I did nothing. I'm still What?
But he's degrading my officers and he's causing a scene.
All your officers are pigs. You're a fucking pig.
Look how she sicks the dogs on his behind like a pack of wolves. You hear me? Like a pack of dogs. I told you, I said disorderly. He probably gonna get disorderly. You know, I would take him for disorderly, and then he's probably gonna get resistant because he's not gonna go peacefully. And look, you got female Sarge, and it's lit. It's lit.
All right. Drunk and disorderly?
Let's do it.
It's lit. Oh yeah, right, boy.
Stay down, stay down. Turn him around, turn him around, turn him around, turn him around, turn him around.
Oh yeah, boy. You gonna learn today.
I'm not.
I need to.
Bad.
You gonna learn today.
Hand here, hand here.
Really?
Where they?
Really? I did nothing.
You should have went inside, my boy.
Can we talk?
Home is where the Apple Watch is.
Hey, I'm not doing anything. Can you please let me go?
You'll need to be online.
Oh,
What did I do?
oh yeah. Good job,
Grandma.
boy.
Grandma, you're recording this, right? Babe, record it.
He's gonna go in your car.
Can we please talk this out? Really?
Talk it out.
Am I really drunk?
You ain't tough no
You
more.
heard them drunk and disorderly, right?
Get in the car. Get in the car.
You see this, babe, right? Record it.
Get in the car. Yeah.
That's her cell phone?
All right. Yeah. This is your spot?
Oh, yes.
All right.
Good job, boy.
Huh? We're going to the PD. Can she search, though? They need to be searched.
So we can pull him out, search him, and put him in a wrap. Because
him?
once we get him out,
He's done.
it's going to be on. Is everybody okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
We're gonna
My pants are falling off.
I got you. Right here.
I feel bad for her. I ain't gonna lie. It sucks.
Michael was charged with disorderly intoxication, obstructing justice by intimidating officer, and obstructing an officer. His total cash bond was set at $6,250.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.